Hi, welcome back to another topic in Computer System Servicing 10. Our new topic is about network security. This is your ICT teacher again, Jerlyn Bisuenya. Your learning competency this week is about to enable network security to the computer systems. For you to guide you, here are questions. What are the threats to your computer? How do they harm your computer network? Why is security to network important? Last week, we already learned about the computer network. So whether your computer is standalone or in a network, they are prone to security issues. So what is the importance of security in computer system and networks? Well, computer and network security help keep data and equipment safe by giving only the appropriate people access. Unauthorized use of a network can expose confidential information and reduce network resources. An attack that intentionally degrades the performance of a computer or network can also harm an organization's production. And poorly implemented security measures that allow unauthorized access to wireless network devices demonstrate that physical connectivity is not necessary for security breaches by intruders. So what are our security attacks? As an ICT student, you must be aware of this. Security attacks may be physical or data. So it is physical when events or attacks that steal, damage, or destroy such equipment as servers, switches, and wiring. While data attacks, these are events or attacks that remove, corrupt, deny access to, allow access to, or steal information. Potential threats to computer network may be from internal or external. It is internal if employees who have access to data, equipment, and network. And external if users outside an organization who do not have authorized access to the network or resources. Our internal threats may be malicious or accidental. So malicious threats are when an employee intends to cause damage, while accidental threats are when the user damages data or equipment unintentionally. External threats may be unstructured or structured. It is unstructured if it uses available resources such as passwords or scripts to gain access to and run programs designed to vandalize. While it is structured attack if it uses code to access operating systems and software, like the hackers. Aside from those threats or security issues, we also have viruses, worms, and Trojan horses that may damage our computer and network. A virus is attached to small pieces of computer code, software, or document. It is transferred to another computer through email, file transfers, and instant messaging. When the file is accessed, the virus executes and infects the computer. A virus has the potential to corrupt or even delete files on your computer. Use your email to spread itself to other computers or even erase your hard drive. Attackers can use these viruses to harvest sensitive information such as passwords and credit card numbers. So that is why we must be careful with the viruses. How about worms? So a worm is a self-replicating program that is harmful to networks. A worm uses the network to duplicate its code to the hosts on a network, often without any user intervention. It is different from a virus because a worm does not need to attach to a program or to infect a host. Even if the worm does not damage data or applications on the host, it infects, it harms networks because it consumes bandwidth. Third one is the Trojan horse. A Trojan horse is technically a worm. It is hidden in software that appears to do one thing, yet behind the scenes, it does another. Trojans are often disguised as useful software. The Trojan program can reproduce and replicate like a virus and spread to other computers. Computer data damage and production loss could be significant. An infected computer could be sending critical data to competitors while at the same time infecting other computers on the network. That's it for our discussion this week. Let us review what you have learned. Attacks to a computer may be physical or data. It could be from internal or external in the organization. Internal threats could be malicious or incidental, while external threats could be structured or unstructured. Virus, worms, and Trojan horse could damage our computers. A virus is attached to small pieces of computer code, software, or document. A worm is a self-replicating program that is harmful to networks. A Trojan horse is hidden in software that appears to do one thing, and yet behind the scenes it does another. And always remember that computer and network security help keep data and equipment safe by giving only the appropriate people access. And now, it's time for you to answer your activities. So answer Activity 1 and Activity 2 on page 3, as well as reflection. And your second summative test that covers your last 3 and last 4. Once done, send it via USB or email or messenger. That's it for this week, class. See you next week. Bye!